Today we're on a project in New Windsor, New York. This customer originally called us out here 2 years ago because they just had purchased a home and they noticed that there was a lot of cracks in the foundation. They also started doing home improvement projects and they noticed that everything was really at a level. They did some research online and found our website that told them that if you have cracks in your foundation and things are at a level upstairs, and you're experiencing cracks above windows, doors, things like that, that your foundation could be sinking. So they called us out and they wanted to see if we had a solution for the issues that they were experiencing. So at that time, I walked through the house with the customer, we took benchmark measurements, and I also did a full inspection of the foundation on the outside, and I came to the determination that 100% the foundation was sinking. I provided the customer with a proposal in a timely manner. The customer had reached back out and said that it wasn't something that they were expecting to have an additional cost when they bought the home, and they needed some time to budget for the project. So 2 years later, the customer had reached back out and said it was time that they needed to get the project done. I came back out and did a revisit. Over the course of the 2 years, the project did need to expand. So originally the project was 18 piers and the project ended up turning into 21 piers. So we had to add a couple in order to support sections of the home that previously weren't an issue for the customer, but after they had spent more time in the home and more settlement had happened, they realized that they needed to address those areas as well.